Yep. Now when it gets past this retaining wall, you can drop it. Start to go. Yeah. Drop it. How about that?
That was pretty fucking good.
You was recording?
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah.
I love this shit. You have your other saw?
Or at least the only two you brought.
Yeah, they're the only ones I brought. I should have brought more. Stop that recording yet?
Huh?
Did you stop the recording?
Yeah.
Okay.